Is your 2005 Honda Accord's alarm system randomly activating? You're not alone. Many owners face this frustrating issue, but the good news is that most cases stem from just a few common culprits. The most common symptom is the alarm going off randomly, especially during night hours or weather changes. This typically points to one of three main causes that we can systematically diagnose. Let's examine each of these three primary causes. First, faulty door switches due to corrosion. Second, a misaligned hood latch that doesn't make proper contact. And third, key fob communication problems from weak batteries. Let's start with door switches, which are the most common culprit. These switches detect when doors are opened or closed, but they're vulnerable to moisture and corrosion over time. Door switches are located in each door frame and are constantly exposed to the elements. Moisture causes corrosion, leading to intermittent contact that sends false door open signals to the alarm system. The second common cause is the hood latch sensor. This component detects if the hood is properly closed, but misalignment can cause continuous alarm triggers. The hood latch contains a sensor that must make proper contact when the hood is closed. Over time, the latch can become misaligned, or dirt and debris can prevent proper sensor contact. Finally, key fob issues are often overlooked but can cause significant problems. Weak batteries lead to intermittent communication, preventing proper alarm disarming. Key fobs use a CR2032 battery that typically lasts 2 to 3 years. When the battery weakens, the signal becomes unreliable, and the fob may lose synchronization with the car's receiver. By systematically checking these three areas, door switches for corrosion, hood latch alignment, and key fob battery condition, you can identify and resolve the majority of false alarm issues in your 2005 Honda Accord. Now, we'll walk through the specific repair procedures for the three most common Honda Accord alarm issues: door switches, hood latch problems, and key fob synchronization. First, let's tackle door switch problems. Start with a visual inspection of each door switch, looking for signs of corrosion, damage, or misalignment in the door frame. Next, test the continuity of each door switch using a multimeter. A properly functioning switch should show 0 ohms when closed and infinite resistance when open. For corroded switches, clean them thoroughly with electrical contact cleaner. Then apply dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion and ensure reliable electrical connections. If cleaning doesn't solve the problem, replacement switches are available. OEM Honda switches cost $15 to $25 each, while aftermarket options range from $8 to $12. Moving on to hood latch issues. The hood latch sensor must make proper contact when the hood is closed. Start by realigning the latch mechanism to ensure the sensor engages correctly. Next, lubricate all moving parts of the hood latch mechanism with white lithium grease. This prevents binding and ensures smooth operation of the sensor switch. If the hood latch sensor itself is faulty and cannot be repaired, replacement sensors are available. OEM Honda sensors typically cost $35 to $50. Finally, let's resynchronize your key fob. This process reestablishes communication between your remote and the vehicle's alarm system. Follow these steps carefully for successful synchronization. While still holding both buttons, turn the ignition to the on position. Continue holding the buttons until you hear the alarm chirp twice, then release them immediately and test the key fob functionality. These three repair procedures address the most common Honda Accord alarm problems: door switch maintenance, hood latch adjustment, and key fob resynchronization can resolve the majority of false alarm issues in your 2005 Accord.